How to fix pull-up for precise seeking problem on YouTube. So let's get started. Once you get this error, you will not be able to skip a video. Instead, it will be paused and you will see a line of pictures. So we have added the steps by which you can fix the problem from your YouTube account. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your phone. Then click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select settings from the given options. Then inside the settings, tap on the accessibility option available there. Then turn on the toggle next to accessibility player. Once you enable accessibility player, you will see hide player controls. Then simply tap on it. Then select after 3 seconds from the given options. Once you select the option, you will be able to skip certain parts of a video without triggering the precise seeking video. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.